Hey, folks, this is the FixProfit channel. Let's get right down to business. I want to help you take your performance to the next level so that your strategy works like a Swiss watch. To make sure you don't miss out on new useful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. I will be very happy with your likes and comments. It motivates me to prepare new content for you. Now I am preparing for you a powerful course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become an affiliate, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under this video. In the course I will tell you about the secret moments of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. And yes, the course is absolutely free. Take it. So, I just opened my first trade. Above, I've chosen the dollar-yen currency pair. 2 minutes time frame. I saw that the bulls maximized the volumes in the past minutes, which will definitely affect the result in the next minutes. Yes, locally the market felt overbought and now the price will go down a bit. But the buyers have not lost all their potential, so the price will rise again very soon. My work experience is 10 years. Our team helps traders with education. To chat about education, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help all participants. Cold open reality. Trading in the trenches. Picture it. You're alone at midnight, hunched over charts like a gamer chasing a final boss. A perfect setup collapses, and that sinking feeling hits harder than a Game of Thrones plot twist. Before you rage quit MetaTrader, remember, every legend rode the struggle bus. Rocky got floored by Apollo. Michael Jordan got cut from varsity. Even TikTok's top finance creators once blew accounts they were too embarrassed to screenshot. Your losses? They're not tombstones, they're stepping stones. Money management, your invisible force field. If you dive into positions with half your bankroll, you're basically skydiving without a reserve chute. The ironclad rule is risk just 1 to 2% of your deposit on any single trade. $100 account, right pointing arrow, $1 trade, right pointing arrow, potential profit approximately equals 80 cents. $1,000 account, right pointing arrow, $10 trade, right pointing arrow, potential profit approximately equals $8. Same skill set, bigger engine. But survive first, scale later. No one ever lost an account by being too cautious. What percentage of your capital do you risk per trade, and why? Drop your answer. Let's create a library of discipline. Mindset medicine. Candles don't care about your feelings. Charts are like Thanos, perfectly balanced, absolutely merciless. Your edge is psychological armor. Plan your trade, entry, exit, and I'm wrong line. Execute like a Navy SEAL, calm, swift, no second guessing. Debrief every outcome. Did you follow step 1? Skip any piece, and your P/L curve looks like a roller coaster designed by Stephen King. Star Wars. Luke loses a hand before he masters the Force. The Avengers. Tony Stark builds Mark I armor in a cave. Talk about scrappy backtesting. J.K. Rowling. 12 rejections turned into $1 billion franchise. Your blown account isn't the end credits, it's the mid-credit scene teasing the sequel. Meanwhile, I took profit from the first trade and entered the second one, continuing to use the powerful bullish momentum. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link is below the video. And if you like this video, put a like. I will be very happy with your comments. Technical analysis, Street Smart Edition. Charts speak a language fluent traders stop guessing and start translating. A. Support and resistance, urban traffic lights. Price breaks where buyers camp support and stalls where sellers ambush resistance. Map these zones, place trades like a sniper, not a stormtrooper. B. Candlesticks, emoji for price action. Hammer equals bullish handshake. Shooting star equals bearish confession. Engulfing candles? Plot twists worthy of Stranger Things. C. Moving averages, trend GPS. 9 EMA hugging 50 SMA? That's a relationship status update. Momentum just shifted. D. RSI and MACD, mood rings of the market. RSI oversold plus MACD histogram flip equals Batman and Superman teaming up, rare and powerful. E. Multi-timeframe X-ray. 4-hour chart writes the novel, 15-minute gives the chapter. 3-minute delivers the sentence where you pull the trigger. Which indicator combo has saved your worst trading day? Let's crowdsource some go-to arsenals. Journaling, your personal Netflix recap. If you're not screenshotting and noting every setup, you're binge-watching success stories without reading the subtitles. Log entry reason, emotion level, outcome. Review weekly. Patterns pop like Easter eggs in a Marvel movie. Risk, the entrance fee to your dream. Entrepreneurs stake capital. Athletes risk injury. Musicians risk ridicule. Traders risk money. The goal isn't zero risk, it's calculated risk. Accept drawdown. Respect the game. Scaling sans self-destruct. Dream of trading bigger? Prove it. 50 trades obeying the 1 to 2% rule. 2 consecutive green months. Zero panic during a $50 drawdown. Only then nudge size. Because leverage without discipline is like handing a lightsaber to Jar Jar Binks. I made a profit again and entered a new trade. I decided to take advantage of the overbought situation, because the bears are gradually strengthening their positions, and on the 2-minute time frame they can already work better than in the previous trades, and a plus for me. Friends, I want to remind you once again, now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. Retail associate, day trader. Studied price action during lunch breaks. After 18 months, left retail, now logs profits from Lisbon cafes. Single dad, swing strategist, trades Tokyo session before kids wake. Pays mortgage with disciplined Euro, JPY plays. They weren't lucky, they were consistent. 4 rapid-fire chart hacks. Session sweet spots. London Open brings Thunder Asian close as nap time. Volume confirmation. Treat breakout volume like a concert encore. No crowd, no hype, no entry. End of week scorecard. Circle best worst trades Friday night, refine playbook Saturday. Screenshot folders by pair. Euro, USD teaches different lessons than AUD, JPY. Organize like Netflix categories. Deposit size versus discipline. Bigger bankroll, bigger bullets, but poor aim still misses targets. Stick to the plan. Don't let dollar signs hijack your brain chemistry. Invest only what fits your life budget. Treat top-ups like gym weights. Add plates slowly to avoid snapping tendons. I know engineers, nurses, warehouse lifters who switched commutes for candlesticks. They weren't chasing hype, they followed processes. Now they work 3 hours a day and spend the rest living. Your cubicle isn't a prison, it's a launchpad if you use the hours before and after wisely. So, I'm about to finalize one last deal. I decided to do it on the pound-yen currency pair, 2 minutes. I saw that during the past hour the sellers have been saturating the market very intensely, and on top of that I saw an overbought moment. This momentum is what it's all about. Yeah, it's working. Friends, subscribe and hit the bell. Subscribe to the informative Telegram channel at the link in the description and write to our manager in private messages to start learning with us. Meanwhile, I made $2,318 in 4 trades. I acted in cold blood. You will be able to do the same. Bye.